I got an interior adapter for the roof fan, and it's still got some bolts sticking out. The shorter ones are not a problem because they'll be pushed into the insulation. And I've got a few that are a little bit longer, so I have to cut those off by hand. Joey's out again because we have one of these rare cool days because it's been raining. Huh? Come here. Joe, come here. That's it. Come on. Yeah, folks. There you go. Huh? Okay, there we go. Next phase of this project, starting to work on the kitchen cabinets. Had a few ideas, but a few problems too. Would have liked to work with melamine, but that's way too heavy. Should have worked with 3/4, but I decided because it's quite small to work with 1/2 inch plywood, finished plywood, for the kitchen cabinet. So that's what I have now, one 8x4 sheet. What I did is made some drawings on my computer. What I'll do is cut this off with jigsaw. That's the easiest way to get it a little bit shorter, so I can handle the sheet. And then I'll cut it off a little bit oversized, and then I size it on the table saw. Okay, that's one. Now, next piece. Now we still have one piece to do. I cut up a sheet of 4x8 plywood. Got 5 pieces, got 1 piece left. The sheet is gone, and these are ready to put together. Now I'm going to make a few dados in my boards. So I have to put in my dado set. I have to make a test cut just to see whether I'm at the right width. Okay. Then I have to replace my inset that I made with the original made for dado blade. This was got a dado. Now this has to fit in it, and it just I added another thinner blade. So this is way too wide again. I added a 16, so I have to figure out. I made another change in blades, so let's try it out again. So after 2 more tries, I got a good connection here. So now I'm going to make a dado here in the bottom on one side. Next week you'll see me assemble the cabinets, fit them into the van, and make some decisions about the remaining cabinets. I constructed a shower in a drawer some time ago, and that will also be fitted in the cabinets. And I'll discuss the drain and the shower head. The central cabinet will be flanked by 2 narrow ones with a slide in each. I could store food in those, or perhaps some pots or pans. And you can expect Joey to make another appearance and inspect my work before I can go on to the next project. Hi guys, this is Joey and we're building a one-of-a-kind RV. Thanks for watching our YouTube channel. If you enjoyed the video, give us a like and subscribe. Or better yet, leave a comment. Thanks guys. You've done a good job.